Okay, we haven't done a cold start in a while, so we'll start the day off with one of them. That went pretty good. So we'll let that warm up, then we'll get out and get a load of wood. Man, a lot of trees in here. It's got to go. So probably another trailer load right out of here. Easy enough. Get that small scrubby stuff down. Anyway, let's cold start the chainsaw. Perfect. All right, there's that poplar. You see all the dead in it. That's why this stuff has to go. And say, what's the point of having acres and trees like this? So get rid of that, make pasture, right? Get some more of this stuff down. That poplar right there looks good here at the bottom, but it's hard to see in this. Kind of right there, it's just like a wonky spot and some dead in it. So hey, I'm sure that's just gonna be a bad spot. So see if we can't get that down. This corner's starting to open up now. That's what's on so far. Chunk that stuff up. See what I got left for room. Probably get that fur on. That was kind of a tight drop here. Didn't want to get hung up in them, and I didn't want to hit my trailer. And hey, it worked out. Figured I'd go with these two for now because they're close to the trailer, and just kind of finish off the back ranks. And get more of that stuff when I get in closer. All right, I am going to call that a load. Now, just get it out, split up, and inside the mill building and drying out. Yeah, there's got to be a damn good half cord on there. Mostly green frozen poplar, like it's heavy. So get this done up and in, and I don't know, hopefully tomorrow I can get back out, get another load. Say I'm not going to sell this load because it's poplar. I want it for myself, so I'll put this in, see if I can't get another load of rounds tomorrow. Maybe I can sell them. Alright, just going to shut her down here, and that's it.